Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. Today I'm going to conduct one mock test with one of my students. Her name is Surbhi, and you will decide that how many bands does this student deserve. So let's start it. Okay, Surbhi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Surbhi Sharma.
And how can I address you?
You can call me as Surbhi.
Surbhi, what do you do nowadays? Any job or study?
I'm studying.
Okay, what are you studying?
I'm in 9th standard.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And where are you studying?
In Woodstock Public School.
Where is this?
It is in Batala.
Okay. So you need to elaborate your answer that I'm studying in Woodstock School, Batala. This is one of the most popular and I think the best school in education infrastructure in that town. Okay. So elaborate it further. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Why?
The first thing is I found it more interesting and always like I want to become a doctor. So that's why I built more interest in this subject.
Okay. Do you study this subject in your free time as well?
No, not at all.
Okay, so let's talk about tea and coffee, the two famous beverages in India. So, do you like taking tea or coffee?
I like taking coffee.
Why?
Coffee is more, I think, sophisticated.
Mhm.
It sounds like a very rich, and moreover, it tastes good.
Mhm. So, when do you take coffee?
I take coffee usually a day, one time a day.
Mhm. Why do you prefer coffee than tea?
Coffee is more tasty.
Mhm.
I found. I don't know what you think, but for me, coffee is more tastier than the tea.
How many times do you take coffee in a day?
One time a day, I take coffee.
Do you like to serve tea or coffee to your guests?
I firstly ask that what they will prefer.
Mhm.
So then I will just serve them what they want.
Okay. Which season do you find coffee is more appropriate for, like winter or summer?
I think winter.
Why?
In winter, it's usually a person feel cold, so it's good to take coffee, a cup of coffee to make you warm. Yes.
How do you feel after taking one cup of coffee?
I feel energetic for some time, but after some time, it's like your energy deteriorates.
Energy level goes down.
Yes.
Deteriorate is not a suitable word over here. Now, my second topic is about exercise. What do you do for your physical fitness?
I usually do a yoga session of 30 minutes
When?
in the morning.
Why do you like to do yoga?
Yoga is more, it's like calming process of soothing your mind, and moreover throughout all the day you feel so, it's of all days very tiring, and when you do yoga in the morning you feel fresh throughout the day.
What kind of exercises are very common in your area where you live?
I think the PT exercises,
Mhm.
they are very common, and usually some people come in the nearby ground of my house. They do running there, running and jogging.
Gymming is also popular area where you live.
Yes, it is.
Which kind of age group do you think like gym workout, and what age group like yoga?
I think gym workout is done by the age group of, I think, 20 to 30 year of age group, and yoga is done by any of the age. It's not any kind of limit there.
Hmm. Do you sometimes do other kind of exercise than yoga?
Yes, sometimes I do the simple exercises like push-ups and pull-ups, like that.
Is exercise is enough for fitness?
I think exercise is not at all a whole, I should say, like it's everything. uh, by doing exercise, you should also eat healthy.
Yes, along with exercise, one should eat healthy food as well, plenty of water, rest, and proper sleep. These are the things which are mandatory. Now I'm going to give you a one cue card, and you will have 1 minute's time to plan that cue card, and after that you will speak. Okay? So your cue card is, please. Yes, your cue card is about a health problem you faced once. Now I request you to read all these points for our viewers first.
Speak about a health problem you faced once. Name it, when it affected you, what problems you faced because of it, what medications you took, and explain how long it took to recover.
So you now have 1 minute's time to plan this cue card, and after that you will speak.
Okay, sir.
So we start your topic now.
Recently, I got caught by severe cough, and it was like my condition was not very well, and with that, because it was like it was getting higher and higher day by day, so I was also having fever at that moment. So my family was also in a worry, and they did many things for me, and they suggested me so many home remedies, and I go for that those remedies also, and but nothing means like nothing helped me in getting out of this situation, and at the end I just go to doctor, and after going to doctor, it took me for a full 1 week to get into the same situation, and now I'm having in same state, like of full energized, and it's like it was a very bad situation. I felt very bad at the moment. All I feel like it was a pathetic moment, and moreover, nothing tastes well, and everything seems to me very like I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit and calmly and just think about myself, and yeah, just like that. This in fever, a person always feels like this, and so I just prayed God, just please help me to getting out of this situation, and yeah, because also my exams were coming, so that's why it was necessary to get
well. Okay. So do you frequently get such kind of health problems like cold and cough?
No, not at all frequently. Once in a year.
What could be the reasons of such kind of infections that you get?
I think the weather changing can be the
most prominent reason.
Yes, and after that, by getting in contact with someone.
Some diseases are communicable.
Yes.
Okay, Sulbi, do you trust home remedies or you like to go to the doctor?
I think firstly we should go for home remedies, and then if we can't find any of the advantage of that, so we should go for doctor and take the medication.
What do you think of the people who are having some certain kind of infections like cold and cough? They should, what kind of precautions they should take?
I think firstly, nowadays it's COVID era, so you should always apply mask on your face, that the person living in your family do not get affected by that. And the second thing is you should regularly take steam, and also just take tea of tulsi.
What kind of health problems that people often suffer in your region, in your area of living?
They, I think they always, not always, means like
occasionally.
Occasionally, yeah. The person who are aged, they get they're having health problems like heart diseases and diabetes. They're diabetic, so yeah, like that.
Yeah. People are conscious enough about their health in your area?
Some people are conscious, but other are like they just attack on the or junk foods,
Mhm.
and they don't.
What
eat
kind of
them.
people do you think are very health conscious?
I think people like who are having a
Highly educated.
well, that is highly educated. Education is also a point, but who are having a selected diet chart.
Mhm.
So they work with that, and they also go with that of the
Mhm.
all whole day
Mhm.
timetable.
What role do you think diet plays in making someone fit and healthy?
I think if you will take a good diet and good food, healthy food, so you will live long.
Mhm. How many times usually people eat in your culture in a day?
3 times a day.
Mhm.
It's occasionally, not occasionally. It's
It's a common
common.
tendency of the people or common habit of the people in my area or in my culture that they eat thrice in a day. And how many times do you eat in a day?
I also eat thrice a day.
And which time do you enjoy eating the most?
I think in the lunchtime is the most.
Why? Why do you enjoy more over there?
In lunchtime we are having a lot of varieties of food with some rice and chapati, dal and onion and cucumber.
Okay. So friends, this is the mock test that I conducted with one of my students named Surbi. And there was no any script in advance given to her. Whatever she said naturally. I gave her cue card on the spot. I asked all the questions on the spot. You can see that I'm not having any kind of list of questions with me. So this is a total natural IELTS speaking, and I request you that you should suggest that, or you should estimate that how many bands does this student deserve. In my opinion, what I feel that she deserves 6 band. Reason being that there were certain mistakes in her speaking. Sometimes she was not able to use appropriate words. A bit grammatical mistakes were there, and occasionally there were long pauses. Overall, I think that she deserves 6 band. She's a student of ninth class, and I think she has great confidence. Thank you.